Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here, and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. So today I'm going to bring you another bulk unboxing. I'm going to get through two of these, probably hopefully for one video. And I am in my garage still, so yes, it is unfinished, but hey, I'm just going to be showing you what these products are before I get them and take them into my house to get them listed to resell for a profit. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started for you guys. Okay, so this one is a new box, and I saw in the pictures that they did come with the actual cases for the shoes, so that made me happy. But these are just Cat and Jack size 13 little boys shoe. Now, if the boxes are damaged, it's okay because they still will have tags on them, or they should because they are new. So if not, I will contact BULQ and let them know. These are some cute little Skechers girl shoes. And back to school, so it's time to get listing this kind of stuff for school. Another pair of those in just a different size. And then another pair of just little like cowboy booties or something. I think those are boys. And these Cat and Jack little boy shoes. And these are Comfort Fit Surprise Dried. I don't know, I haven't heard of that brand. It is probably just a Target brand, it looks like. All of these should be a Target brand. And some, I don't know what brand these are. Speed Knit. Cute little teal shoes there. Some little glitter booties. Looks like the rest are not going to have boxes, which is fine, again, because they still have all the tags attached. This is the same one as one of these that are in the box. And another pair of those black little boy shoes. Another pair of those teal ones, and these are a lot larger. These are a 5 in women's. So these are actually my daughter's size, so she may be getting these for play tennis shoes. And some Cat and Jack little glitter slip-on shoes for girls. Some pink cushion fit. I don't think that's the brand. Oh, they're Champion. Okay, so these other ones must be yeah, these are Champion too. So, whoops. And more of those little black boy shoes. All of these are just kind of thrown in here, so they're kind of tangled a little bit. And some of these brown little boy boots. Now, none of these are real leather. I definitely would be able to tell if they were, but they're just Target brand. So they're, you know, they're gonna be play shoes or, you know, nice shoes that you just won't be able to wear that much. I actually already have these listed in my closet, so I will just add the quantity to them. And they're just a Target brand. I don't know the name. Oh, awesome. Some winter boots. These will do really well. Cat and Jack. More of these brown booties. Little boys. And some more of these little brown booties, but I gotta get them untangled here. There we go. And it looks like some little girl rain boots. They're just a little too small for my daughter. And some more of those brown boots for boys. Another one. And it looks like we're gonna have multiple of these kind of insulated rain boots also. Here's another pair. And then there's 2 more in here. I brought a tote to put the overfill because definitely filling up this table really quick. Another pair of these like hiking little boy boots. And more of these brown boots. And then a different color of these tennis shoes, Champion tennis shoes, speed knit. And more of those brown boots. And more brown boots. And then this pair, oh yep, I already had another pair that were similar to this one too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the next box for you guys. This was the first one. I broke the numbers down for you, so I'm definitely gonna be able to make my money back and then some. And they're all in the condition that they said they would be. Okay guys, I have the next box ready, and it is home and bedding. So the reason why I mainly bought this case after seeing that they had this pillow, and I actually sold from a pallet that I received for 30 bucks each, and then the buyer paid the shipping. So I was ecstatic to get this one. I already knew I was gonna make my money back, but I checked to make sure the other items were good also. You know, I had to get a few more good items to make sure that this was worth it. All right, it looks like an Opal House, just green towel. It is new with tags. All of this stuff is new with tags. Waverly 1 rod pocket black back tab panel. Another, well, this is actually a hand towel, so I'll sell that as a set. It's an Opal House, and it does have the removable tag still connected. Ooh, this is a beautiful pillow. I might keep this one. It's pretty. It's Threshold Toss pillow. But yeah, it's kind of similar to this one right here, but smaller. All right, this is just a sheet set by Nate Burkus. Tri-Ease sheet set twin. Love the sheet sets. They're smaller and easier to ship than bedding, and they do sell really well. So this is a pinch pleat duvet cover set by Threshold. It's a really pretty design. And this is just a Cool Touch mattress protector. I wonder what size it is. Oh, it's just a queen. I was hoping for a king. Threshold Performance Pillowcase. And this is Matalisi Coverlet. Don't quite know if I pronounced that right. But originally it was 80 bucks. It's a Fieldcrest item. I love Fieldcrest. It's been doing very well for me. I actually did not know it until I got one of my first pallets. And stuff has been selling really well from Fieldcrest. This is another Nate Burkus Tri-Ease twin sheet. It does look like it just got smashed because it does feel like everything's still in there. I will take a peek just to make sure. Although stuff looks like it's new in the package, people return things in the craziest shape, so you never know. Another one of those Fieldcrest coverlet. And a Project 62 Nate Burkus Tri-Ease pillowcase covers. And Fieldcrest shams that actually match this set. So maybe I'll sell one as a set. And Fieldcrest cashmere sham, queen size, standard. So yeah, that's all I got in this lot. Again, on these and the shoes as well, I will be able to make my money back and then some more. So I'm just getting happier and happier opening these boxes. I did shoot for the boxes that said new. So when you're buying on BULQ.com, you can actually do uninspected items, which is a gamble. If you want to watch a prior video on an uninspected item, I do have those up as well. And it is a gamble, but you know, one time I got Skull Candy ear pods, I got a Nintendo Switch power cord, I got Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controllers, and none of that was manifested. So you honestly never know what you're gonna get with them, but you just gotta go through the manifest, and if it's low enough, you know, you can gamble with the uninspected items. And if not, go for the more new lots, because the new ones, if it isn't new, so say they said this sheet set was new and it had busted open, or you're missing a piece, you just send them a picture and they're gonna reimburse you for that item in your lot. So keep track of how many items you get, make sure you get the full amount of items, and I really enjoy buying from them to resell. I've made quite a bit of profit off of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with some other unboxings, but this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, guys. I look forward to putting out more content for you.